How to remove password from a PDF protected file. So I have a file and this is the one protected file. Whenever I try to open it, it asks me for a password. So I don't want this password. So I want to remove it. I want to unlock this file. So how I will do it? I will open up this link. I will share you this link in the description of this video, smallpdf.com/unlock-pdf. So I will click on this, choose file, select the file, click on this, click on unlock PDF, enter the password, click on really unlock, download this file, open this file. Now it is not asking for a password. I hope now you will be able to do it and easily able to unlock any PDF file. In case you find this video helpful, friend, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.